Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, today we are going to see my grandma's Pongal recipe. Here are the ingredients you need. 1 cup of rice, 1/4 cup of moong dal, 2 cups of water, 1.5 cup of milk, salt to taste. For the garnishes, cashew nuts to your liking, lots of black pepper, some cumins, cut ginger, some curry leaves, 1/4 cup homemade ghee. Here are the steps. Dry fry the moong dal and keep it aside. We are going to use a pressure cooker to cook the pongal. Add the rice. Now add the dry fried moong dal. Add in the water, milk, salt to taste. Stir well. Cover the cooker and place the whistle. Cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, release the pressure and open the cooker. Pongal is almost ready. Time for the garnishes. In the pan, pour in the ghee. Add in all the garnishes and deep fry them. The garnishes are ready. Add the fried garnishes into the pongal and stir well. You may add more milk and stir well. Pongal is ready. Serve pongal with onion sambar. Yummy! It tastes amazing!
Ponnachiamma recipe is yummy.
Thank you for watching. Smash that like button and we'll see you all next time. Good. Bye!